Hi, it is Thais here. So today I will be doing my natural nail routine and pedicure at home. My nails are a lot longer than usual and my heels are really dry right now, so this is definitely well needed. The first step is clipping down my nails using the big nail clipper. So I love to clip my toenails as short as possible. I use my opposite hand to hold my toes in place, and then I place the toenail clipper under my nails, and then I just go ahead and clip it, and I go straight across from one corner to the next. I recently discovered this glass nail file while browsing on Amazon, and I was like, oh my goodness, why didn't I discover this sooner? Because it is a lot more smoother. I feel like it is much more effective and works faster than the typical nail file, and I highly recommend if you're into doing your natural nails, you would definitely see a difference. So I'm just filing by going in a seesaw motion, so I go straight across in one direction, and then I go ahead and file the corners of my nails. For a calm and relaxing vibe, I'm using my Pedicure products in the scent lavender. And to keep my feet nice and smooth and prevent hard water buildup, I'm using my bath filter to soak my feet with my lavender bubbly soap. So I do use warm water just to keep it nice and relaxing. I apply cuticle softener around my nails so that they can be easier removed later on, and then I soak my feet for about 20 minutes just to soften up my feet and help to relax them and remove any stiffness that may be built up in them. Soaking the feet in warm water helps to release energetic blockages, promotes grounding, stability, and a sense of inner safety. So if you've been feeling off, you will definitely feel a big difference after soaking your feet. The foot scrubber helps to remove hard, built up, dry, dead skin. So I do this for about 1 minute. And then I'm using a cuticle pusher now that my feet and toes are nice and soft to push my cuticle back and to lift any dead skin around the nails. And then I use the flat side of the cuticle pusher to go under the nails. This helps to lift any dead skin that may be trapped underneath and also product buildup as well. The cuticle nipper helps me to cut away any overgrown cuticle that may be sticking out and hanging out. This helps my nail polish to look a lot more cleaner and pristine when it don't have all of those cuticles around it just hanging there. So my toes are nice and clean, and you can see a big difference compared to when I first started. So now I'm using the buffer. This is going to sand down the top of my nail bed. This helps my polish to apply a lot smoother, and it gives my polish a stronger grip so that it doesn't come off as easily. Back to the wet part. So I'm using the foot scrub to exfoliate my feet. This is going to remove dead skin as well, make my feet feel a lot softer, and it also helps to increase blood flow to my feet so that they can look much more vibrant. After rinsing off the foot scrub, I'm following up with a mud mask. Mud mask helps to draw out impurities from the feet, toxins, stagnant energy that may build up, blocking and creating energetic imbalance. And it also helps to smooth the feet down and make it appear a lot more softer and healthier. So I applied a mud mask, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I rinse it off. So I'm just applying some cuticle oil to my nails to nourish them. So if you don't know, I like to split my pedicure routine into two phases. So this is day one where I'm all about nourishment. I use the heel balm to smooth down my heels, add some nourishing oils and butters to it, and then I am ending my pedicure with a nice relaxing massage with the massage lotion. Massaging the feet helps to calm the nervous system, it helps the body to relax, and it also helps release any tension that may be in the feet. So after letting my feet soak up all of that nourishment overnight, this is the next day where I will be focused on polishing. So I make sure that I use some alcohol just to remove all oils, and I start with my base coat. So this is a hardener that I apply to my nails first just to keep them nice and strong and healthy, while also helping to shield and protect them from the staining of the color from my regular nail polish. I'm trying some new nail polish this time, and I'm using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. So this color is so pretty. It's like a nice natural mauve. I feel like it looks so good against my melanin skin tone. So I'm using one coat of this first. I start in the middle with one stroke and then do two strokes on both sides. So this is the matching top coat that came with it. And to be honest, I think I got a bad batch of it because it was very like cakey and bubbly. I was like, what is this? So I just took it back to the store and I followed up with my regular Essie Gel Couture top coat. This is going to give it a nice gel-like shine like the first one was supposed to give, but it didn't. So I just do one layer of top coat just to seal off that color while also adding shine. I usually wear medium length nails, but I'm feeling like wearing shorter nails this time around. So I just go ahead and clip my nails down a little bit, not too much, because I want to leave enough nail to file and shape them as well. I'm also adding the same color to my hands because the mani and pedi have to match. It is just so like aesthetic and very calming as well when my hands match my feet.